Every time that yellow cloud's here, everyone sneezes.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Wow! That's the same colour as the cloud. Maybe you aren't a cloud. You're sneezy flower stuff. I've got to tell the others.
Achoo! Sorry, everyone. I don't know how to get rid of the sneezes either.
What are we going to do? Where are all these sneezes coming from?
Listen to me. Listen to me. It's the yellow cloud. It's making us sneeze.
Achoo! That's so mean.
Poor yellow cloud.
But it's true.
Fluff a cloud.
Okay? I'll prove it. Watch this.
Achoo!
Achoo! See?
Wow!
Wow.
Achoo!
Achoo!
Ah, I think I know what's going on.
Achoo!
My fluffy gold flowers are full of yellow stuff called pollen.
Huh? Pollen?
Yes. If the pollen gets out, it makes your nose tickle so that you sneeze. A lot.